Login failed on TrueLayer Connect Fix. You open your financial app, try to link your bank through TrueLayer Connect, and suddenly login failed. It's annoying, but here's the thing. This issue usually has less to do with your login and more to do with how your bank and TrueLayer communicate behind the scenes. Let's walk through how to fix it quickly. First, check your bank's online access. TrueLayer works as an intermediary, pulling data directly from your bank's API. If your bank's website or app is down or undergoing maintenance, TrueLayer won't be able to log in either. Try logging into your bank directly. If that fails, wait for service restoration before retrying through TrueLayer. If your bank login works fine, the next step is to refresh your connection. Go into the app using TrueLayer, for example, your budgeting or trading app, and choose Reconnect Account. You'll be redirected to your bank's secure page. Enter your credentials and reauthorize access. If you recently changed your bank password, your old session is now invalid. You must reconnect with the new credentials for TrueLayer to regain access. Now, here's a common mistake: using a VPN or work network that blocks financial data transfers. TrueLayer's secure protocols may see that as suspicious activity and deny lock-in. Try connecting over your mobile data or a trusted Wi-Fi network. Also, ensure your device clock is set correctly. TrueLayer's system relies on time-based encryption, and if your device is even a few minutes off, the login token might be rejected. Finally, if the issue continues, it could be temporary downtime between TrueLayer and your specific bank. These happen more often than you think. Most are fixed automatically within a few hours. In short, don't stress when you see login failed on TrueLayer Connect. Confirm your bank access, reconnect safely, and ensure your network is secure. Once the connection stabilizes, your financial data will sync seamlessly again.